What's up, guys? I actually have two setups for you on the pound yen trades of the day. So this was from Friday, and in the overnight session, we can see that the sellers were completely in control, moving this over 100 pips. And then if we zoom into the session a little bit more, we can see that leading up to the session, the sellers were still in control. There was a little bit of a fight as the session opened right in here. Sellers eventually won the fight, broke the low of the Tokyo session. Buyers stepped in a major way, turned it around, created a fake out right here. There was a pullback on the momentum for the buyers. Could have entered in at the top of this support resistance level or on any of these pullbacks right here. Set your stop below the pivot, entry right here. Taking trade up to this level of resistance right here, the first level of resistance for around 3.5R, but this was my more textbook setup, which was the short right here. So you can see this big level of sellers right here indicated by this wick coming out of this huge overnight selling pressure. So what I was waiting for was a either limit order on the top or at the beginning of that wick, or what happened here was selling pressure out of there, engulfing candle, pull back, enter right here, stop above the pivot, take it down to that area of support right here for 3.5R, 3.5%, or $3,500 on a $100,000 account.